In this demo, I will be going over some of Draft's basic capabilities, as well as how to use it in the context of Deadline. For anyone who might not know it yet, Draft is a simple tool that exposes basic compositing functionalities to Python scripts. It has been designed to be tightly integrated with Deadline, but can also be used as a standalone tool. For the purposes of this demo, I'll be using this simple draft template here, which takes in a series of frames and then outputs a QuickTime scaled down to 50% aspect ratio. The template will also insert a slate at the beginning, annotate the entire video with frame numbers, and display entity and version information throughout. Now that I've hinted at what Draft can do, let's check it out in action. I'll just go straight to the deadline submitter in this Mac scene and take a look at the new Draft tab here. As you can see, it's pretty basic. We just need to select our template and fill out some basic information. The user, entity, and version fields here are just default arguments that are getting passed to the draft template. Depending on the templates you're wanting to write and use, you might not need them, or you might want to use them for something totally different. You'll notice here that there's an added bonus for anyone also using our shotgun integration. If there's shotgun metadata tied to this scene, Draft can pull that over and autofill all of the draft fields based on that information. There's also an option here to upload the draft output to Shotgun once the draft job completes. I'll just submit this job, then we can pop over to the monitor to see how the draft job gets created. When submitting a dependent draft job through any of our submitters, the draft job will be automatically created upon completion of the original job, in this case the max job right here. This is all done using our new event plugin system. While we wait for this draft job to finish rendering, I'll just show you a couple other ways to submit draft jobs to Deadline. As with all of our other plugins, you can submit a draft job directly from the monitor using the draft submission script. We've also created an additional right-click job script that will submit a draft job based on the currently selected job. This is similar to the regular submission script, but it will pull over as much information as possible from the original job and fill it out for you as best as it can. And finally, another bonus for our Shotgun users is that you can also get set up such that you can submit a draft job directly from Shotgun. This allows us to pull a lot of the necessary draft information directly from the Shotgun database so that you don't have to fill it out yourself. That about covers Draft's basic usage from Deadline's perspective. I will now leave you with the final output of the draft job I submitted earlier so that you can see for yourselves the type of stuff that Draft can do with just a couple added clicks.